David. It's a movie camera, so.
Do one for Sarah. Don't do me. I come out so.
Do one for Sarah.
Do one for Sarah.
Water, yeah.
And Charlene.
Sarah. Sarah.
Hi, Sarah.
Sarah, take a look. Oh, there she is.
Smile.
The cheap cameras. Oh, there she goes.
Hey, come here. Smile, please.
Did you do pumpy?
And then on my new laptop, I have an editing software.
Oh, cool.
Microsoft Movie Maker. Do you guys have that?
I have a version of it.
Okay. So you can actually do.
Problem is we've got a Sony HD camera and I can't download the videos onto my computer directly, which is annoying because Sony doesn't like Apple.
Does it like? Hello? Or does it like IBM?
Yeah, they don't. It just doesn't. Somehow, with the Mac operating system, it doesn't work out very well. Ready. We put on some shoes. Such pretty shoes. Ready. No, they don't hurt. Look, they're pink. Can we try them?
Yeah, Sarah.
Ready. Oh, ready. Okay. Show Pumpkin your shoes. Show Pumpkin your shoes. Say, hey, Pumpkin, you like my shoes? Go show Pumpkin. Go show Pumpkin your shoes. Ready. No? Oh, honey, they're good for you. Take the kisses for 'em. Oh, we locked Pop out. Papa, you have to stay up there. Sorry.